Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. For the repair, there are few different replacement parts available. You can select the camera lens with the frame or just camera lens rings, or back cover with camera lens installed. Next, take out the back cover and then apply some heat to the broken camera lens ring. And then pull out the damaged camera lens ring by using slide force from the rear side. Next, place the required camera lens ring with adhesive and then put it on the lens frame. You can follow the same steps for the other rings too. Next, if needed, take out the complete camera lens unit with the frame. Apply heat to the backside of the camera lens area. And then push from the front side to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, place the new camera lens with the frame on the back cover by applying glue. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.